Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. How to send Tether, that's USDT, from Kraken to your Tangem wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this process is more secure and efficient than ever, helping you keep your assets safe from exchange risks. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure your Tangem wallet is set up and ready to go. If you haven't already, download the Tangem app on your phone and connect your hardware wallet. It's crucial for security, so double-check that it's updated to the latest 2025 version to support seamless Tether transfers. Next, log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw section. Select Tether, USDT, from your list of assets. Now, here's a key tip. Always choose the correct network. In 2025, Tether on Kraken might default to Tron or Ethereum, but for Tangem, you'll want to match it, probably Tron for faster, cheaper fees. Copy your Tangem wallet address directly from the app to avoid any typos. That's a common mistake that could send your funds into the void. Once you've got the address, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Kraken will show you the estimated fees, so keep an eye on those. They're usually low, but every penny counts in crypto. Hit confirm, and you'll get a two-factor authentication prompt for extra security. After approving it, your transaction will be broadcast to the network. Finally, head back to your Tangem wallet app and refresh it. You should see your Tether arrive within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you're all set. Your assets are now safely offline. And that's it, folks. Sending Tether from Kraken to Tangem in 2025 is straightforward with these steps. If you run into any issues, check Kraken's support or our community comments. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure out there.